Environment plays a very important role not only in learning a language but also sometimes in shaping our behavior. So let's say if we want to learn English, so it will be very important for us to surround ourselves with an English friendly environment. For an example, we have to devote our time in watching some English content videos, then reading something in English, and then listening to music should also happen in English, and we have to communicate with others also in English. The more we speak or the more time we give to this language, the better we become. And whatever fluency or confidence I have gained so far is because of these reasons. I used to spend a lot of time in this language because I have tremendous interest, and I'm still giving my important or my valuable time in terms of getting better and better and expertise in this language. So recently I was talking with some of my colleagues in English, and there I have learned a word which I definitely should share it with all of you, and the word for the day is quintessential. The meaning of this word is really amazing, and you can use this word in your daily communication. So when you want to express something as perfect and best example, that time you can use this word quintessential. Now, to give it a better understanding, let me make two sentences out of the word quintessential. So, the first sentence is pizza is the quintessential Italian food. That means pizza is the best example of Italian food. Now, my sentence number 2 would be Taj Mahal is the quintessential symbol of love. That means Taj Mahal is the best example which symbolizes love. So likewise, you can make n number of sentences with this word quintessential and give wings and fuels to your English communication skill by using this vocabulary as many as possible. Now before I go, let me talk about the mantra for the day, and today's mantra is your past will never decide your present. Your past will never decide your present, but your present will definitely shape your future. So it's better for us that we should always think before act or before say something to someone. So that's it for the day, and thank you everyone for listening to me. We'll catch up soon next time. Till then, you take care of you and your surrounding and the beautiful planet Earth, because all our small efforts will make big difference in the future. Bye bye.